This is going to be 2014 Bowman Chrome Baseball 2-box break, 3005 and 3006. And let's go ahead and screen share everybody in the break. All right, Tom D at the top, Troy L. You're at the bottom on a copy. And paste this into random.org. As always, random 7 times. Here it is. There's 1. Here comes number 2, 3. Let's make it razzle dazzle. 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Troy L at the top, Christian S. You're at the bottom on a copy. And paste this into our MLB spreadsheet. Let me pull this up here for you. There it is right there. Boom. And let's make this real big. Going to read the names and teams off here to you. Troy L has the Diamondbacks. Paul C. Braves. Michael B. has the Orioles. Tom D. Red Sox. Gwyneth S. Cubs. Alex G. has the White Sox. Paul C. Reds. Tim S. with the Indians. Michael G. Rockies. Troy L. has the Tigers. Ginger R. Astros. Jason C. has the Royals. Jesse B. Angels. Corey F. with the Dodgers. Chris L. you got the Marlins. Vin G. Brewers. Corey F. with the Twins. Philip, you got the Mets. Corey F. Yankees. Tom D. has the A's. Joey A. Phillies. Eric P. with the Pirates. Jason C. has the Padres. Jared P. Giants. Tom D. with the Mariners. Brian B. with the Cardinals. Michael B. Rays. Corey F. with the Rangers. James P. you have the Blue Jays. Christian S. with the Nationals. All right, guys, any trades here, please do so now. 2-box Bowman Chrome 3005 and 6 coming at ya. Let me set the break up here really quick for us. Set the old break up. So pretty. All right. All right, everybody, here we go. Let's do it. Nobody's trading, so I'm just going to roll it. Just going to roll it up here. And let's see what we got here in Bowman Chrome. Good luck. And let's pull some monsters. Here we go. All right, first up, Fernando Rodney. Here we go. Estrada right here. Yankees, a refractor. Check that out. 297 of 500 right there. New York Yankees. Corey F. That's coming out to you. Corey F. Very nice. Urias and Renfro right there. Cut. All right, Adrian Gonzalez. Here is a, check this one out right here. Hey, Kyle, what's going on, man? Bumgarner mini right there, Giants. Here we go. Here is a Dwayne Underwood right here, Cubs auto. Very nice. Cubs, Gwyneth S. is coming out to you. Gwyneth S. Dwayne Underwood. All right. Kyle, what's going on, buddy? How you been, man? All right. Next up, here we go, Mike Napoli. Here we go, mini right here, Miguel Cabrera. Very nice. Here is a, Chris Davis. Check this out. Brewers. Should be numbered to 9978 of 99 Milwaukee Brewers. Vin G. That is you, sir. Vin G. Chris Davis. Very nice. Vin, that's coming out to you. Next up, here we go. Adam Wainwright. Chris Tillman cut right there. And then here is a old Stankiewicz right here. All right. Greatest name. Check that out. Who's got the Red Sox? Tom D. That is you, sir. Tom D. That's coming out to you. Tom D. Very nice. Rouse, you won in 20 seconds. No shocker there. No shocker. All right, next up, Clayton Kershaw. Here we go. There's a mini Cespedes right there. A's. Carlos Gonzalez blue. Oh, yeah. Check that out. 126 of 250 Rockies. That's Michael G. Coming out to you, Michael G. Yeah, that's pretty funny, dude. That's pretty funny. Next up, here we go. Ryan Braun. Here is a fire cut right here, Lindor Indians. And then we've got a Daniel Palka right here, Diamondbacks. Check that out. Troy L. That's coming out to you. Troy L. Daniel Palka. Nice one there, sir. For Troy. Yeah, Corey, I like those too, man. I like those too, buddy. All right, Cashner right here. Check that out. Padres, 78 of 99 San Diego. That is Jason C. coming out to you. Jason C. Very nice, Jason C. So 20 seconds. Fill me on the fight, man. What happened in 20 seconds? Fill me in. What, you just slam her? Or what? Starley right there. All right, Joe Nathan blue. Check that out. Tigers right there. Troy L coming out to you. Troy L, 20 of 250 right there. Joe Nathan, very nice. Fire cut right there. Gregory Polanco. Right here is an Akeem Bostic right here. Check that out. Texas Rangers. That is Corey F coming out to you. Corey F. Right there. Very nice. Akeem Bostic for the Rangers. Nice hit, Corey. That's coming out to you. Next up, here we go. So Longoria. Cut right there. Archie Bradley. Fire cut. Here is a Gabriel Rosa refractor auto right there. Very nice. Right there. Gabriel Rosa right there for the Reds. That is Paul C. Coming out to you. Paul C. Right there. That's one of your teams right there, buddy. 355 of 500. Paul C. That's coming out to you. You got the Reds and... Who's your Braves? Reds and Braves. Yes, sir. Dale, we knew that how that fight was going to go. I mean, we've been talking about it all week. We knew Rossi was going to destroy her, man. Oh, yeah. Sebastian Yater right here. Orioles. Michael B. That's coming out to you. Michael B. 436 of 500 right there. Michael B. right. John Singleton right there. Jonathan Reynoso right here at Reds. And that is Paul C. coming out to you, Paul C. 117 of 500, Paul C. Fire cut right there, Chris Owens. Right here is Cologne right there, Bartolo Colon. Chris Tillman right here, check that out for the O's. 15 of 35, nice one there, Baltimore Orioles. Michael B, that's coming out to you, Michael B. Very nice, Michael B. Lindor and Mondesi cut. Zimmerman. Here's a Nick Castellanos mini right there. Tigers, that is Troy L coming out to you. Troy L. Puig refractor. All right. 98 of 500 Dodgers. Yeah, let's see here. Corey F, that's coming out to you. Corey F. Very nice. All right, guys, got a few packs left here in Bowman Chrome Baseball 2 Boxer. Next up, here we go, Mike Minor. Here we go. Here is a Fred Lewis refractor auto for the Yankees. Very nice. Corey F, that is you, sir. Corey F. Fred Lewis, 492 of 500. Very nice. Corey F, that's coming out to you. Next up, here we go. David Ortiz, gold coming up. Oh, yeah, Valera right here for the Cardinals. Check that out. 50 of 50 right there. St. Louis Cardinals. Brian B. That is coming out to you, Brian B. Hamilton, or McKinney and Crick cut. Segura right there. Nunez, Rockies, refractor. Michael G. That's coming out to you. 322 of 500 right there. Michael G. That is coming out to you. Giolito and Nemo right there. All right, next up. This right there. Goldsmith mini right there. Here is a Jacob Nottingham Astros. That is Ginger R coming out to you. Ginger R. Jacob Nottingham for the Stros. Very nice. Here is a Ian Kinsler right here for the Tigers. Ian Kinsler. Here is a Yimi Garcia right here. Dodgers, watch out. Dodgers, that is Corey F coming out to you. Corey F. Yimi Garcia. Very nice for the Dodgers. Cholo right there. Here's a Jonathan Papelbon refractor. Phillies. Joanne A, that's coming out to you, Joanne A. 20 of 500 right there. Joanne A. Yeah, but Cyborg's a cheater, man. Cyborg's a cheater. All right, here's a Chris Heston right here. Giants. That one is numbered 1 of 35. Good one right there. 1 of 35. Right there, Giants. Jared P. That's coming out to you, Jared P. Right there, Fire. Right there, Jonathan Gray, Rockies. make sure I got them. All right, guys, 3 packs left here. 3 packs left. Freddie Freeman. There is a Yelich refractor right there. Chris Sale. 35, 150 right there. White Sox, Alex G. That's coming out to you, Alex G. Eric, you have the Pirates, sir. You have the Pirates. All right, here's a Hunter Pence. Right here, die cut Lindor and Mondesi. Here is a, let's see here, Nathan Mikolas right there for the Yankees. Corey F. coming out to you, Corey F. Right there. All right, guys, last one here. And Bowman Chrome Baseball 2 Boxer. Very nice. Joe Nathan. Trumbo right here. There is a cut right here, Tahan Walker. And here we go, Austin Nola right here, Marlins. And that is Chris L. coming out to you, Chris L. Austin Nola. Very nice. Chris L., that is you. And that'll do it, guys, for Bowman Chrome Baseball. 2-box break, 3005 and 6. And let's save that for YouTube.